Okay, so let's take a look at how you can use heading block in Spectra page builder. So first thing, we'll go to WordPress dashboard and we'll check whether we have Spectra installed. So go to plugins, add new, and here I can type in Spectra. You can then install this and activate it. Once activated, you can go to settings, find Spectra there. Now within blocks and extension tab, you can find various blocks here that you can enable, disable, right? So simply go to your one of the page or post and edit that page, right? So let's say if I have this particular paragraph and below which I want to use headline, or let's see down here, right? So I will just disable the spelling so that it looks decent. Now the next thing, I will click on add block, browse. In Spectra you can find heading. So here I will say this is Spectra heading block, right? So like this, I can add this below another paragraph, and this time however we will make some changes to its properties. So let's see, this is second heading in Spectra, right? So here we can simply check some of its properties, right? So you can transform it to paragraph, heading, can make it quote, right? So like this we can do few things. Apart from that, you can also show more settings by going to hamburger menu, options. Now here I can choose between various tag options I have. I can also check subheading, then I can use separator, say solid, dash, double, dotted, use solid, right? So underneath every heading I can make that, right? So I can make it double or dashed, go with dashed, right? Now let's try and update this and let's see how our page looks like. So in new tab, and see, this is paragraph number 1, then we have heading, below that we have this dashed separator, then we have another heading, then solid separator, right? So like this you can edit the headings within your block, right? So you get the idea how to use Spectra page builder blocks in Gutenberg for editing the heading.